Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, we are at Friday again, so here we are. It's the weekend. Oh my goodness. These weeks are just flying by. Well, today we are going to be working on the golden dragon that I got from the SevenGreat store, and it is the silk one. And we're working right over here in this leaf and possibly this leaf. I don't know. Depends how long it takes me to get there. But yeah. So the color I am using is 924. And I've already prepped my threads. So all we have to do is stitch. So what is everybody else working on? I hope you're working on something fun and something that brings you joy. Something nice. Something maybe perhaps you want to finish. Or maybe you're waiting on something to come. Like me. Yep. Hopefully within the next week I should have the stuff. Hopefully. Keep your fingers crossed. The stuff that I ordered from AliExpress. So, yeah. Fun times. We will see. I never hold my breath about AliExpress. Sometimes it takes 2 weeks, sometimes it takes a month. So we will just wait and see. But as you can see, I've almost finished that rose. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different symbols there left to do. So hopefully I can get that done. And I had some of this orange left over. So that's where that's going to go. So I just kind of ran out the thread there. But yeah, I worked on this a little bit yesterday. And I worked on the potted flowers. That's all I know how to call it. But yeah, just a little bit. But the 14 count was kind of hurting my hand. Not my hand, actually my finger. I kept poking myself, so I thought, well, it's time to do something a little different. But that was all I really worked on yesterday. What did I do? Oh, I ran to the grocery store. And, oh my goodness. Got that all taken care of. And then about 4 o'clock, I was messing around with my computer and going here, going there, and all of a sudden the mouse wouldn't work. I'm like, what the heck? I tried everything, changed batteries. Yeah, the whole 9. So I hopped in my car and I drove all the way to Salida, which is about 45 minutes there and 45 minutes back. And of course it was busy at Walmart, because people are getting stuff for kids. Where did the needle go? Kids to go to school. So I was kind of in and out and drove back and fixed a prime rib for dinner and went from there. So it was kind of quiet. It looked like it was going to rain all the way there and all the way back, but it like sprinkled, not even enough to call it rain. And then it rained later on last evening. So, fun times. Fun times. So yeah, just didn't do too much. I did have time yesterday to sit in my rocking chair and have a cup of tea and just stitched and stitched. I probably put 4 or 5 full, 6 strands in this, so yeah. But I was kind of hell-bent on stitching on this. I wanted to finish that rose, but that hasn't happened yet. So we'll see what today brings. I've got to go run and do laundry, and I've got to go to my daughter's house. I have to take her some stuff over to her house. So I don't know. She did mention that she might want to go back to Salida tomorrow, or today. Sorry. It was tomorrow when I was talking to her. Holy cow, I'm telling you. We're having a week. So, fun times. But I feel like all I've done is run up and down the road, but kind of and not really. Didn't know what to get at the grocery store because, you know, it's that time of year. I don't want to cook anything that's going to get too hot. I bought a frozen pizza, so I'd have that for like most of the weekend. At least another couple meals. So that worked out, and they happened to have those steaks on sale, so I just bought one. I haven't had one in a while. So I made myself a tossed salad and just ate it. Of course, I couldn't eat it all, so I'll be finishing that today. So, fun times. But the grocery store was busy as busy could be. Took me a hot moment to get out of there. And when I got almost home, I went and checked the mail, of course. And here he come down the road. I'm like, okay, we're just going to wait. And that way I didn't have to go back out, or so I thought. Yeah, that didn't go over well. I'm just mad I had to go all the way to Walmart and didn't really need to. So now we have an extra. Because last time it decided to give, my mouse decided to give it out. It was like 10 o'clock at night, so there was just absolutely nothing I could do about the whole thing. So, whoops. I don't know how that happened. Okay. Looking for my pin cushion. I use it all the time. So yeah, I wanted to just finish this rose. It seems like it should have been done a long time ago, but that hasn't happened. Love when I pull thread from the bottom. Really? Still? There we go. So I have no idea what else I'll be working on this week. Never can tell. Never can tell. I pulled the thread out for this, and it was the wrong color. I'm like, why is there red there? Oh, it was the wrong color. I pulled 13 and not number 14's thread. It was awesome. So I got that all waxed up before I realized that that was the wrong color. Oh, geez. So, fun times. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting those kits that I ordered from AliExpress. I hope you like them. Some of them are not too big. I don't remember, somewhere in the 40 to 50 centimeter range, I think. I think I got one big one, but yeah. Other than that, I think the rest of them are kind of a smaller size. You can't tell it, but this is like a dark green. This looks like a dark, like a greenish black, if you will. I don't think it looks black in the, even up close. You have to really get there to tell that that's an actually green. But yeah, this has had such nice threads to it. It's just absolutely beautiful. I love this thing. So we're going to just keep on stitching it and see how far we can get. Didn't do much of anything else. I was going to go to the, what do you call it? The thrift store this yesterday, and it just got too warm. So I'm expecting it to be warm when I get out of the laundromat as well. So probably won't get there. But there's been so many dang people in town that it's just not worth my time. I keep thinking it's going to be worth my time to go there, but just many people picking over too little of stuff, if you will, because they don't get a whole bunch, you know, of stuff in. I don't know where it actually, other than here, where it actually comes from. Or, you know, they have a sister store or anything like that, where they'd get too much at one and send it to the other or anything like that. So, yeah. So, but it's nice in the wintertime to go and get warmed up while you're at it, because it's usually freezing cold. And just walk around and look at stuff, but yeah, just haven't for, gosh, it seems like a couple months. But I can't remember. I think it was somewhere in July I went there. That's when I got that big plate with the ship on it. Still haven't figured out where the heck I'm going to put it, because it's heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Get that out of there. Come on, scissors. Cooperate. I think we're just going to save that for another little place. I'm going to have to roll that back a bit. We're going right here. Didn't work anymore on that puzzle. I just couldn't handle it. Nope. Some days, some things are too much for my brain. So, maybe in the middle of winter when I have nothing else better to do. You know, I just can't see nothing else better to do, you know, when I have 10,000 cross stitches that I want to work on. But I may take it over there and see if my daughter wants to do it one Thursday when we're not doing too much. Can you see what I'm working on here? This thing's kind of wide for some reason. I don't think it's too horribly big. It is. Where is it? 51 by 68, so no wider than some of the others, but it just seems like my desk is closing in on me here. So we will see. I was thinking about working on that colorful town again this weekend. Kind of been stuck on it, and what was that other one? Oh, and not Boston. London. I've been watching Outlander, could you tell? I don't know, but they've been talking about London too, so got both of them in my brain. Boston just came out first, because that's going along really well as well. And it's a fairly easy stitch to do. So we'll just have to wait and see. But since I got this beeswax from my friend Diane, I found that I can really do this. You know, it's not difficult at all. It sure makes the thread go through there a lot easier, and it lays down. It doesn't poof up on me, so that'll work. I found with this silk thread, when I get, you know, have it all divided out into 4 different sets of 3s, if you will. When I use DMC, I can put the excess away, but on the silk, you just can't. So it does make a difference. I don't want it popping off of where I attached it to the excess thread. So we'll keep working on this and adding a few things, but I don't find it nearly as frustrating as it used to be. So I don't know if it was the learning curve or the beeswax, so take your pick. And if anybody's got any pictures to share, you can send them to my email address, which is in the description box below, and I will get it into the next stitch with me as soon as I possibly can. Yeah, I decided to put Outlander on again. Oh, fun times. Now I can skip over the parts that I find disgusting and just move on. So I'm only in series, season 2. Holy cow. Went all the way around the barn on that one, didn't we? You knew what I meant. Holy cow. I had started watching it, oh god, I don't even remember when, so I just went from there. So, and that was like the beginning of season 2. So I can only watch it so long on Netflix, and then I have to switch over to Stars to watch the rest of it, because not all the seasons are on Netflix yet. I don't think. I could be wrong, but yeah. So we got that done. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, let me put that needle there. Oh no, we can do this. Put it up, maybe, over there. Alright guys, thank you for joining me today. Whoop, I went the wrong way, my bad, sorry. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.